Kadon Bosco Youth Center Shillong kalau Pynlong ya ke konsert ke baning kong ban pen seluruh ki kena samla puli ki bapen tibet yaladi hakani ka subruai. Apo ke cing penyaji Father Michael Makri kumu director ke Youth Center badi Father Roland Karkrang kumu assistant director. Hakani kesini la don lang knomi kmat jong kalai kra constituency ka kong amperin lingdo kum ka kong san baru MDC jong ka malki constituency ubak fanten la kadong kum usembut kong san. Hakani kesini la don lang ru ki baying jong kinong ruai ki paralog bat noi kai jong kini kinong ruai ubak Nicholas dan. Hak jingkren jong kong amperin kum knomi kmat jong ni ka constituency kalau pen pau ke jing sarong bat kalau ai ke jing ro ikani ke jaka ai jing kai kabla ai la di khana puli bakin yo i bat itu ela ka jong ka sap ka baki dan kalau angru bakani ke jaka puli kalau pen mi shisha ya ki sap ki pong jong ki khana ki ba le si lada om dan kani ke jaka puli kin jin dal shushong thia thai hayin Henry ke jing don jong kani ke jaka puli kalau ai men se mi ki khana bakin slur ban pen i ela ka jong ka sap ka baki dan Berkala kularu bahkan yarap ikan ni jaka puli lada don kenu jing don kam nakaliang jong ni jaka puli hag jing kran jong sembut kongsan ulai roi ke jing la keni ke jaka puli ban ai jing kai ba jing sakri nak benta ki pat pa ki babun ha keni ka thai
wise men say only fools share but shall I stay? Would it be yourself? For I can't help falling in love with you.
Don Bosco Youth Center is not just an institute or center, it's a home for the youths. I really appreciate the directors, the Father Shillong. Now that you've got Father Michael, who's a director, he's not just a director, I found him, he's a very youthful person. Like I said, 25, 26 years ago, I was a student of this institute, so I know a lot about this institute also. It's an institute which is very homely, where all the youth gather together from different caste and creed and religion as a family. And this institute continues to be like that till today. Thank you so much, Father, for this wonderful contribution. I thank Father Roland also, who's a part of this Don Bosco Youth Center.
There's a love in your eyes all the way. If I listen to your lies, would you stay? I'm a man without conviction. I'm a man who doesn't know the contradiction. You come and go, you come and go.
Dear Father Michael, you haven't disappointed me at all. I remember when Father Michael first came to the gates of St. Anthony's College and enrolled himself in the media department. I knew he was a ticker right from the time that I first met him. At that time, of course, he was just a brother, and he was preparing himself to further his calling in the work of the Lord. Dear Father Roland, I'm happy to see you after so long. I am so happy to be here, Father, and I'm so happy that you deem both of us fit to be a part of this family and to support this family in whatever way possible.